So guess what? Hush Cosmetics decided to reach out to me to sponsor me for this video, okay? Hey guys, it's your girl ChocTheGlam. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in to my channel. Today, I'll be talking about an amazing company called Hush Cosmetics. They sent me this huge package of stuff to review and talk about with you guys today here on my channel. I'm so stoked to do this. So if you're interested to see what I got, then keep on watching because this is the place to be. So first things first, they sent me this Inferno palette, and it is a 12 color eyeshadow palette. And I have no idea what's on the inside, but I know whatever they sent is spicy. So let's get to it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, okay. Oh man. So do you see the glitters in this palette, guys? Like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glitters. I'm a girl who loves glitters, but these are pressed and there's not gonna be a lot of fallout. And it even comes with a really pretty mirror. Okay, good night. So now we have the Aphrodite palette, which is an 18 color eyeshadow collection palette. And there's the back of it. So this is what the outside looks like, really pretty. Ooh, and see, each one of these palettes is gonna come with this nice plastic protective cover. Ooh, 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 okay. Okay, so the Aphrodite palette is full of like your glitters, of course, and these are a little bit different from the Inferno palette because the Inferno palettes were like a soft shimmered eyeshadow. These are like full glitter pigments, as you see, with some matte eyeshadows with a full color range for all skin tones. Like, do you see the goodness of the Aphrodite palette? Hun. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay. I love the names of these too. You know, there's romance, lust, flirt, admire, adore, crush, passion, beauty, infatuation. So of course, like, this palette is gonna be amazing for Valentine's Day because let me just show you one more again before I let her go. The colors, like you have reds and pinks and browns and even a bit of black. So if you want to do a nice smoky eye with some color and a pop of glitter, then this is the palette for you. It's right here, okay? Next up, we have the Midsummer Night eyeshadow collection, which is a 30 color eyeshadow palette. Yes, I said it, 30. Now, I don't have 30 eyeballs, but I do have 2. So shoot, I can use one for every day of the week, okay? Now, this packaging is super pretty. Like, do you see the pink? This almost looks like some hair extensions on here. You know, you see? It's got gold and black, okay? Okay, yes, do you see this? So this is for my girls who love something a little bit on the lighter side with a hint of smoke. Like, these all are like really glitter-based eyeshadows, and there's a select few that are like matte. However, they go great together and they're so pretty. I just love the color combos, and this is amazing. Like, some of these colors, hell, all of these colors can be used year-round. It's just on how you do them and how you layer them, and even if you want to take some and put them in the inner corner of your eye, I don't see why not. This is incredible. Girl. So this one is called the Rose Highlight Collection. Okay, let's open her up. So the colors in here are called Pinkies Up, Cheers, Shine, Bubbly, Hashtag All Day, and Champagne. So these are like champagne inspired names and of course colors, because the pigment on these, this camera does not do the pigment justice. Like, this color payoff, I'm just gonna swatch Champagne for you guys because I'm a girl who loves a bomb highlight. And oh, matter of fact, do you see that? Okay, forgive the ash, but y'all see the color, right? Corn Glow Highlight Collection. Okay, this one is by Face Candy, and this palette is just giving me vibes, okay? It's holographic. Oh! Oh! Do you see this? Oh, y'all! Oh my God. This is going to be perfect for Coachella. Like any of you girls and guys who are going to Coachella, y'all need to grab this like yesterday because this is that palette. Do you see? Oh, and the color names are Wonder, Dream, Stardust, Celestial, Enchanted, and Fantasy. What's your fantasy? And they all, like all the palettes, I don't know if y'all have noticed, come with a mirror for the most part. So that way you can see yourself whenever you're doing your eyeshadows. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you guys. So this palette here is called Retro Love. And it's a 14 color eyeshadow palette by Bad Habit. Let's open her up together. Oh, honey. This is bomb. And the color names are amazing. Like everything is so retro inspired. And of course, it wouldn't be Bad Habit palettes without some glitters popped up through there. Okay. And it's got like these nice greens and like red, brick reds and earthy tones that'll be amazing on any skin tone. Like, come. Like, how could you not love what's in here? Like, this is incredible. Like, what? Oh, 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 oh. Okay, this one's like really exciting. Let me show y'all. This one is called Sugar, and it's an 18 color eyeshadow collection. And this one is by Face Candy. Ooh, okay, look at this. It's got like a nice metal tin. Ooh. Look at this. This one is a like nice pressed shimmer. And there's a few mattes in here, and the names are all like candy and food inspired, and that right there is exciting because I'm a foodie. So this palette will be in heavy rotation, like chocolate cake and s'mores and blueberry pie. All this stuff is amazing. Like, do you see the colors? Especially this one right here. This is gonna go sickening when I do like a cut crease. Look at the color. Do y'all not see this? Like, these are affordable eyeshadow palettes. I've never seen palettes this like blendable and this affordable. Like, y'all gonna have to hop on because I'm telling you, you don't want to miss your mark with this one, you guys. This is amazing. Okay, so the next palette we have is called Royals, and it is a 14 color eyeshadow collection, and it's so pretty. Do you see like this red color? Oh my God. Now this one's a little bit different. You kind of slide it out like that. Ooh. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. Like, OMG. So pretty. Oh my God. I love them. Now, what I can say about this palette is very sultry, it's sexy, and it has some colors in here that are not your norm, like everyday colors, but they're definitely going to turn heads when you walk down the street. And last on our list is my Oasis palette. Now, this is a 4-piece highlight kit, and I've already been a naughty girl and I've dipped into this one, but it's what I'm wearing right now, and it's absolutely incredible. The colors are Pina Colada, Nude Beach, Tan Lines, and Vacay. And this palette is like my favorite. It's my go-to. I use it all the time. Like, you guys, look at this. Look at this highlight. Literally love, 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 love this palette. Like, this is my favorite, okay? This is my baby. Y'all gotta cop this one. Like, don't say I never gave y'all nothing. So, get you some. For all my girls, get you some. Swipe this across your cheeks 2 times the king. So the fun thing about, even though we're at the end, I'm about to give you guys some really, really cool tea. So you saw all of those amazing palettes, right? And you're probably wondering, like, how much do those really cost? She said affordable, but how affordable? You ready? You ready? $10, okay? $10. Like, literally $10. Like, I spend way more than that sometimes on setting spray, powder. I mean, come on, literally $10. But these palettes and like are so affordable that how can you say no? Seriously, they're super blendable, super affordable, and they're amazing. So I want to first of all give a big huge thanks and shout out to my family over at Hush Cosmetics for sending me over all this great stuff. I'm just super excited, and I'm so thankful because This is all I ever wanted was like makeup, and for Hush to want to sponsor this video and send me all of this amazing stuff, it's a blessing. I'm so stoked, and I can't wait to do some tutorials with these. So that brings us to the end of our video. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. It's been an absolute pleasure to film this, and if y'all are feeling this video, I'm gonna tell y'all one more time: thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and make sure that you hit that bell 2 times to make sure that you get all of my notifications. Okay, thank y'all so much, and I can't wait to see y'all on my next one. Bye.